Okay, chances are if you're here, you are in a circumstance where you either are facing missing a mortgage payment or have already missed a mortgage payment, and you are concerned about what the next steps are. I certainly empathize. We're here to help. And I want to give you, the borrower, some insight as to what happens, especially here around New York, Westchester, Putnam, the surrounding counties, when a mortgage payment is missed. The one thing that'll be evident to you is that the bank will begin the collection process. You'll get phone calls and you'll get letters reminding you, please pay your mortgage. That's what they do that you can see. What they'll do on their end is they'll start a protocol list of steps to make sure that the collateral is okay. So a mortgage is nothing more really than a collateralized loan. Your home is the collateral. The bank doesn't want your home. They'd prefer not to foreclose or repossess the home. They don't want to liquidate a non-performing asset, as they call it, but they will have to take steps to make sure that their bases are covered. And that involves two things: sending an agent out to do what's called an occupancy check, and also for that agent to do a broker price opinion. The bank wants to know if the property is being maintained, if it is in any danger of being abandoned, having the pipes burst, getting squatters, burning down, whatever. And they also want to know what its value is in its current condition. So if you are in these circumstances, and you have my empathy, like I said, that car that you may see stopped at the curb in front of your home, that is an agent doing an occupancy check and a broker price opinion. It's just what the bank does on their end to make sure that the collateral is preserved. Now, if they find that the property is abandoned, then they will send a preservation company in, change the locks, winterize the pipes, make sure that it's secured and that the pipes don't burst and so forth. But if you're in the house, then you want to, as I said in my other video, let the lender know you're there and you want to keep the house. Banks are always concerned about deferred maintenance, which is a nice way of saying if you can't pay your mortgage, you probably also can't keep up the maintenance. So they will, with that occupancy check, want the agent to see what condition the property is in. Are the gutters falling down or corn growing in there? Is the grass knee high? Is there evidence of people living there and maintaining the property? Ideally, that's the case. So that person at the curb doing the broker price opinion and the occupancy check, they're there to make sure that the collateral is okay. Those are the first steps the bank will take, the lender will take when a mortgage payment is missed. Like I said in my other video, it is a best practice to be in touch with the lender to find out what your options are for forbearance or modification or any other kind of options you want to know about to keep the property. If you want to know what your options are from someone with a little bit of experience with short sales, bank-owned foreclosures, like I have over dozens, if not hundreds of transactions, free to call, no obligation consultation to let you know what your options are, complete confidentiality, but those are the steps. The bank will send a field agent out just to check on things to make sure the collateral is okay. I hope that helped. And if you'd like more information, my contact information is below.